What's the best way to parse a JSON response from the requests library? I'm using the Python requests module to send a RESTful GET to a server, for which I get a response in JSON. The JSON response is basically just a list of lists. What's the best way to coerce the response to a native Python object so I can either iterate or print it out using print?
You can use JSON.loads. This converts a given string into a dictionary, which allows you to access your JSON data easily within your code. Or you can use Martine's helpful suggestion, and the higher voted answer, response.json.
Since you're using requests, you should use the responses JSON method. It auto-detects which decoder to use.
You can use the JSON response as dictionary directly. Or you can hold the JSON content as dictionary. And from this JSON_res dictionary variable, you can extract any value of your choice. Attentions, because this is a dictionary, you should keep your eye on the key spelling and the case, i.e. total is not the same as total.
If you want total more, placer to gigafoot streaming.